Today we're learning one of the most useful little patterns in Spanish, me gusta. And here's the fun part. It does not work exactly like English. In English we say, I like coffee. But in Spanish, the idea is closer to, coffee is pleasing to me. That's why Spanish says, me gusta. Literally, to me it is pleasing. So let's make this easy and memorable. Think of gusta as is pleasing, and me as to me. Me gusta. To me it's pleasing. Nice and simple. Let's say it together. Me gusta. Good. Again, me gusta. Now one super important trick. Use gusta with one thing, or with an action. Use gustan with more than one thing. So one thing, me gusta el café. More than one thing, me gustan los tacos. One thing gets gusta. Many things get gustan. That little N at the end is your plural alarm bell. Ding ding. How do you say, I like coffee? Me gusta el café. Perfect. How do you say I like music in Spanish? Me gusta la música. Exactly. Music is one thing, so gusta. Now listen closely. Me gusta el libro. I like the book. But me gustan los libros. I like the books. Singular, gusta. Plural, gustan. This is probably the #1 beginner mistake, saying me gusta los tacos. Native speakers will understand you, but the smoother version is me gustan los tacos, because tacos is plural. How do you say, I like tacos in Spanish? Me gustan los tacos. Nice. Now let's make this even more useful. If you like doing something, like eating, dancing, reading, swimming, Spanish uses gusta with the verb in the basic form. So, me gusta bailar. I like to dance. Me gusta leer. I like to read. Me gusta nadar. I like to swim. Why gusta and not gustan? Because the action, the verb idea, acts like one thing. How do you say, I like to dance in Spanish? Me gusta bailar. Yes. How do you say, I like to read in Spanish? Me gusta leer. Great. Now let's switch people. Me means to me. Te means to you. Le means to him or her. For today, keep it simple. Me gusta. I like. Te gusta. You like. Le gusta. He likes or she likes. So if I ask you, ¿te gusta el chocolate? That means, do you like chocolate? How do you say, do you like chocolate in Spanish? ¿Te gusta el chocolate? Very good. And if you want to answer, you can say, sí, me gusta. Yes, I like it. Or, no, no me gusta. No, I don't like it. Easy, useful, and very conversational. How do you say, I don't like milk in Spanish? No me gusta la leche. Exactly. Just put no before me gusta. Here's another nice memory trick. Don't build this like English. Don't start with yo gusto, for I like. That sounds wrong for this meaning. Spanish wants me gusta, not yo gusto. So when your brain tries to translate word by word, gently tell it, thanks brain, but Spanish has its own style. Let's do a few quick ones together. How do you say, I like pizza in Spanish? Me gusta la pizza. How do you say, I like dogs in Spanish? Me gustan los perros. How do you say, you like music in Spanish? Te gusta la música. How do you say, she likes coffee in Spanish? Le gusta el café. Beautiful. Notice how the thing after gusta controls whether you use gusta or gustan, not the person. That is the big idea. Let's lock it in with a tiny pattern. Me gusta el café, me gusta la música, me gusta bailar. But me gustan los tacos, me gustan los perros, me gustan los libros. Singular or action, gusta. Plural, gustan. One more common mistake, forgetting the article. In many basic sentences, Spanish usually says el café, la música, los tacos. Not just café, música, tacos. So sounding natural often means including the little word, el, la, los, las. Now imagine someone asks, ¿Te gusta bailar? do you like dancing? You can say sí, me gusta bailar. Or if not, no, no me gusta bailar. Very practical, very real world. How do you say, do you like dancing, in Spanish? ¿Te gusta bailar? Nice. How do you say, yes, I like dancing, in Spanish? Sí, me gusta bailar. Excellent. Quick recap. Me gusta means I like, but think of it as it is pleasing to me. Use gusta for one thing or an action. Me gusta el café. Me gusta bailar. Use gustan for more than one thing. Me gustan los tacos. For questions, te gusta means do you like? And for negatives, just add no. No me gusta. You're doing great. This pattern shows up everywhere in Spanish conversation. So every time you hear me gusta or te gusta, your brain will now say, ah yes, I know this one. Keep repeating a few favorites out loud. Me gusta el café. Me gusta la música. Me gustan los tacos.